You have now seen how to index new documents and how to update existing ones. In this lecture, I'll show you how to replace documents. Fortunately, that's super easy, so this is going to be a quick one. Especially because you have already seen the query needed to perform a document replacement. Because of that, I've already pasted it in to save a bit of time. Remember when we used that query? We used it when we indexed a new document with a specific ID. That's actually the same query that we can use for replacing existing documents. Let's retrieve the current document that has the ID of 100. As we can see, since indexing the document, we modified the in-stock field and added a new tax field. Let's try to change the price field and replace the document altogether. So I'll modify the price in this query to, let's say, 79, and let's run the query. And let's now retrieve the replaced document. We can now see that the document contains exactly the fields that we just specified. This also means that the tax field is now gone, because the whole document was replaced with the document that we supplied in the query. That's how easy it is to replace documents with Elasticsearch.